So our general contractor, Kori Dewata Karya, is getting bigger and bigger, and it has so many partner at the moment. It has Oasis and Bali home base from Mr. MENO. And from these three team, from the main team is Kori Dewata Karya, they create a project together. And the location also in the same location that they have built together before. But before it's only between Kori Dewata Karya and Oasis Construction. Now involving Mr. MENO from Bali home base. So they will create another project with the same themes that we have. Like before, we have Villa Baru Jungle, and now we're gonna do it the paste. But before that, let's review a little bit about the area where we're going to apply this project. Yeah, so that was the land that we're going to design. The second phase, what is interesting of this area is it's quite in the same area. I mean, it already has an access. The challenge there is we will build this area right in the edge of the land. So we have some alley on the under the land like a cliff. It's not like a cliff, it's almost like a small river underneath. But the things that we need to concern here is how to create the balance of the building itself. So it's not going to cost too much in the construction like a retaining wall, but we can also achieve for the viewpoint, privacy and everything. Okay, let's get into detail about this project. So yeah, the total area of this land is 650.31 square meter, and this is going to be divided into three part of land. So the first is for the villa number 4, because before we have already 3 units that done. So this is the second phase. First, the fourth villa is 2 bedroom, 217.99 square meter. That's the fifth villa is going to be 2 bedroom also, 227.77 square meter. The last one, the villa number 6, is going to be also 2 bedroom, 205.24 square meter. So basically, the range of the land that we're going to use is approximately between 200 until 230. That's the range area. Yeah. So you can see here how we provide the setup. So the building area, let's say that from the top floor. What is interesting here, we doesn't start the building from the ground. When you come, you will go directly to the first floor or a second story, and it's going down. So we will review in the other way. We will start from the top to the bottom. Normally, I will review the layout from the ground floor, then from first floor. Now it's going to be switched. So the villa number 4 and number 5, this is going to be the villa we're going to review. Number 6 is still on progress. The top floor area, so the building area on the top floor is going to be number 4, 62.42. And the villa number 5 is a little bit bigger, 66.16. Pool decks also the same. Villa number 4 is smaller, number 5 is bigger. The pool is the same, 15.12 square meter. That's going to be the pool area. Now let's go down to the first floor. In this area, if you see, pay attention detail, the size is the same. The only the part that a little bit different is on the top floor. So the main building is 94.05. That's going to be the same. The villa number 4 and 5. Balcony 30.27, slightly different with the other one, with villa number 5. Parking area stayed the same, 6 square meter. So this area still can be accessible by a car. So the only thing is we really need to consider how the maneuver will be there in this area. Both has a storage. Villa number 4 is bigger. This is only the part where number 4 is win with number 5. The storage is bigger, and villa number 5 is 7 square meter. Villa number 4 is 8 square meter. Garden, villa number 4 is bigger than villa number 5, 30.16 square meter. That was the garden area. So that was it about the size of everything. So basically, if we calculate, so the size total for the building is 156.47. That's for the villa number 5, and the villa number, for villa number 4, number 5 is going to be slightly different, bigger a little bit. So this size, if I calculate, doing a 2-bedroom villa with this size is quite big. This is quite big villa because standard is 60, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom is like 120. That's going to be the size calculation. So this size is really good size, a really good size. So it's quite big for a 2-bedroom villa. Now let's pay attention with this detail plan. So from the top area, from the road itself, we have a parking area for scooter only. So the client decided to not put the access for. You can access this by a car, but no parking for a car. It's only for a scooter. When you come inside directly, you will find the storage. And as you can see here, in between, we have a path which leads you to first the bigger building is for the main bedroom. Sorry, the side bedroom with the sharing bathroom with the kitchen, living, and dining. And the main bedroom will be on the right side if you go to the pathway. The master bedroom, this is like a symmetrical setup, and it has a decking there. This is not a full deck, it means like a balcony because this is going to be on the top floor area. From here, you will have an access to going down to the first floor. Now, so this is the first floor area. As you can see, it's dropped down, going to the bottom. This is the bottom area for the ground floor. In here, we will have an open space with a dining and also barbecue area. So it's kind of, if you see, it's just like a combination that has an area on the top for a complete setup for living and dining. But on the bottom, you also have a semi-outdoor area. So this is more like the space where you can do like a party and like gather around with your friend and family. This is what is interesting from this design. It has two setup, the same setup with the different pipes. At the top we have like a very closed area, and here we have a semi-outdoor area, and it has storage also. So we got the pump room under the staircase, and yeah, the river right in front, but it's not a big river, like small river. So the pool with the not too big, but it has like a shallow area and a plunge pool there. So that was it about the design. It's a very unique design because we have designed it on the inclination land, so it's going down like this. So we try to create, when you come to the site, you feel like it's only one floor. Actually, it's 2 floors. So that was the conceptual and explaining about the layout. Let's see more detail about the project from the 3D point of view. what I like from this design is how to create something that works really well with the land situation, the character of the land. Every benefit that we can find from a land, it's always come with something that really responsibility. It's something that we really need to taking care before we start everything. Like what we have on the bridge near CEPAKA and Kaba, the Kadek Tatmat project. The land is beautiful. It's in the riverside, but the challenge is we need to prepare more money to do retaining wall, prepare everything needs to be set up with a very proper structure. So in the future, there's nothing going to be happen there like a landslide. So the building there will be stable or steady. That's the point about the project that done in a very beautiful area and extreme. We need to prepare ourselves. So I think that's it for the first video of the Oasis project with KDK and BHB, Mr. MENO. Let's see later how the progress works. I think all the detailed drawing that has been done, the 3D has been done, and they already put it on the market. And I have heard the news that one unit already sold, so they can start the project as soon as possible. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay tuned with our channel, Gauri Art Division Studio. Bye-bye.